No what?
No, no.
Gabriel, what are you doing?
No. No.
What's this?
Toy.
It's a toy. Is it Play-Doh?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with it?
I'll play like.
Can you squish it? It's not food. It's a toy.
Don't I eat the flowers?
No. What did you have for breakfast?
I eat the egg.
Eggs. What else?
Bacon?
And?
Cheerios.
No. And what did you drink this morning? What was in your cup?
Puppet.
What was in your, what did you have to drink?
Puppet.
Did we see puppets yesterday?
Yeah. Puppet.
And where did we see the puppets?
On the triangle.
There was a puppet that was a triangle.
No food.
No, that's not food.
It's not food.
It's not food. Did you see puppets at the library?
A foot on the head. Don't I sit the couch?
If you want to play with that, you sit here. Okay, come back. Sit at the table.
You want it? Then I want a toy at the table?
Should I push the chair out? That's a nice noise.
No, no! No pictures, no pictures.
No pictures.
No!
No what?
Okay, I'm gonna move.
Who's this?
Monster?
Yes, who's this? Who's that? You can cover him up. Oscar's all gone.
Yeah. Monster?
Yes.
Cover the monster?
Yes, cover the monster.
I'll go monster. I'll go monster. Don't cover?
You're going to cover Bert. That's Bert.
Cover
Ernie.
Ernie cover? Fish cover?
Okay, cover the fish. Goodbye, fish.
Hello, fish.
Hello.
Don't cover the balloon?
Yeah.
Cover the book?
Yes. Did you see balloons yesterday?
Yeah.
Where did you see balloons? Whose house? Whose birthday was it?
Cake.
Cake. Whose birthday?
Sandie's birthday?
No. Whose birthday? He was 2 years old yesterday.
Yesterday.